Adobe Premiere 23 has introduced the ability to edit by text. We're going to go to Workspaces and you'll see the new text-based editing. So click that. It'll automatically conform your screen to look like something like this. I modified it a little bit. Normally I edit on 3 monitors, so this is weird for me to have this all here. But for the case of this demo, it just says transcript. I like my tiny tools. Let's see the arrow and then look at the hand. If anyone can help me figure out why that's so tiny, I'd be very happy to know that. Anyway, we're gonna transcribe this dialogue. There's some things in it that I don't like, and there's plenty of things that I do like. So what this is gonna give me the ability to do, once this is done transcribing on my monster computer, by the way, I just got this. It's Threadripper, 512 gigs RAM, and wow. Anyway, look at this transcription. It just did it real super fast. Now, every time you see one of these like ellipsis 3-dot looking things, this is dead ass air. So that's dead air. That's dead air. That's a second. That's dead air. That's about a second. Okay. So let's just say, for instance, I say the word a lot. I can find in here. If there's some certain thing that I said over and over again that I want to get rid of, I can just do a copy and paste. And so watch this, right? So right here, it just finds that place on the timeline in which at this point I can do a lot of different things. I can just delete it and then it just edits. It just edits that part out. So for like rough cuts, for dialogue, for documentaries, for talking head videos and interviews and stuff like that, especially to make social content, wow, what a way to trim back some time and some fluff just so that you could squeeze it into like a reel or a short. You only have 1 minute. This is a great way to go about doing that. This is just like one of the coolest things that I've seen added to Premiere in a long time. So with that said, the AI thing is looming on the Adobe suite. And this is a weird one. Like having the ability to transcribe and create captions was pretty cool. It was still just kind of goofy and clunky. It still is. Like they're gonna fix that, right? This, wow. This helps a lot. Anything you're gonna copy over here, it's just gonna find it. You can just knock it right out. You can do global changes, global removals. It's just absolutely unbelievable. I love it so much. So hopefully this helps you get to some text-based editing. Don't try to use this trick when you've gotten deep into your project though, because it'll be weird. So use this for like the big rough cut.